Hey guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to teach you about something unique about Photoshop. Recently, it's going in trend a lot. So the thing is called pixel stretch design. So I'm going to teach you how you can make that pixel stretch design using your photo. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to pick one photo. I have already picked one photo from the internet, and for the reference as well, I'm going to show you. So first of all, you have to do is to select the object. You have to go to the select object tool and then click on the image and then click on the canvas. So it will automatically select the object which you need to use for your pixel stretch, right? So this has been selected. So you have to select that property which should be used for the stretching purpose, which can be anything. It could be the mountains, it could be the land, it could be the vehicle as well. So for this tutorial I'll be using the vehicle for explaining you all. So let's select this, and then you have to do Command C, Command V for Mac, and con- Control C, Control V for the Windows. So I'll just do Command C, Command V, and you can see there is a selection created here. And now using that selection, I'll be making my pixel stretch. So now you have to go to the rectangle marquee tool and make a narrow selection where you can basically capture more and more colors, and it should be narrow, like not too big, something like this. And you can manually select the part as well by dragging with the mouse. So I feel this part would be good for the pixel stretch because there are some colors like the headlight color and all can be captured here. So now what I have to do is nothing, just go on the move tool and click here, and I'll just press shift and drag this, and you can see there is some pixel stretch going on. And as we all know that there are not too much colors in this car, that's why it's not showing much, but this is the effect. And you can also use the wrap tool to basically change the design. You can also like this, see, manually you can set it out and use it in your designs. So I hope I have been able to help you in using how to use pixel stretch tool. So this is something great and it's in trend too. If you are working on any post for any food business, car business, or any other thing where there is a particular product highlighted, so definitely you can vouch for this design trend as well to get more engagement in the social media segment. So that is all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and for more Photoshop and Figma tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll be bringing some new amazing content in the near future. So thank you so much. Have a great day.